Welcome to the Support by Sony mobile app. Support by Sony helps you quickly find information to get the most out of your Sony products. You can download the app from Google Play or the App Store. After launching the app, there are 3 ways that you can add your Sony devices. The first is by tapping on this blue button to search for your device. Once your model appears on screen, press Add to bookmark it. Then click Yes to check for notifications for your Sony product. You can also connect your device by using NFC. Place your NFC-enabled smartphone near your Sony product, and when the model appears on screen, tap Add to bookmark it. No need for searching, you'll be set up in just one click. Once you bookmark a Sony product, you'll start receiving notifications tailored to your product for important information, the latest firmware updates, and tips and tricks. On top of the notifications, you'll be able to access a section for product manuals as well as frequently asked questions and compatibility information. Whether it's settings or troubleshooting, you'll have all the information you need with a tap or a swipe. Never miss an update with the Support by Sony mobile app.